You see, I'm not someone that invests in things that doesn't give me profit. Because when I want to do something, I go extra mile to do something. If you watch all my movies, look at Kofo, the First Lady, Kofo Tinubu, look at that character. Did we see anybody that acted that character better? I invested so much, my time, my money, my health. Because that character affected my health. Sure, you understand? So, and I make money from business to invest in acting. And at a point, I feel like, okay, let me do 70-30. I do acting as well. Till now, till date, I do acting. So I have to go back fully. Even when I was into acting, 100%, I used to have my goods in my boot. Timbatishe move it on. I pick my things up and I go out to sell. You know, I've been into selling right from baby.
You're watching GboahTv. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button down below and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video.